Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a fantastic movement where you crawl on the wall and wedge yourself between the floor and the wall to really connect your body. Now, I did show this movement on my other channel, but this one is so good that I wanted to bring it to this channel too, because this is a powerful reset, but also a powerful total body strengthener. And when I say reset, I just mean that this can nourish your nervous system and really take the brakes off your body, but it also creates a lot of reflexive tension and reflexive strength in your body that, well, you can use it to make yourself as strong as you want to be. So a friend of mine, Frank, suggested this movement because he was looking away to not smash his toes and his knees for the wall crawling movement that I've shown before. And if you haven't seen that, it's where you're crawling side to side, you're wedging yourself between the floor and the wall. Now, granted, it does help to have good friction on the wall with good shoes, and I'm not sure I had that today. But anyway, he's like, well, can you do it the other way? And I was like, well, yes you can. So I started playing with it more, and honestly, the reason I never did this before is because I thought my way was sexier. This way, though, I think, is the way. Mando style. So you wedge yourself between the wall and the floor, and you just crawl. You crawl sideways. And the cool thing is every time you pick a hand and foot up, that opposite connection, the reflexive tension that generates through your X is quite impressive. And what's really cool is you can get vertical and do like handstand walking. And the way your shoulders and your lats feel when you do this, it just feels good. And you know, it feels good to feel good. And you could get lower and wedge yourself further down. But the connection you get, you gotta try this to experience it, and then you'll know, oh, no wonder he can't explain this. It's just that good. The other cool thing about this is you don't need a lot of space. And if you don't have room, you can do cross crawls here, or you can just practice picking up contralateral limbs and just hanging out. Fantastic movement. Crawling sideways, the upright wall crawling maneuver. Whatever you call it. Frank, thank you very much. You're a genius. I'm glad you were looking out for your knees and your toes, and you wanted to know if you could do it the other way. Give this one a shot. I think you're gonna love it. I've been playing with this every day since Frank posed that question. Totally connects your X. Great for your shoulders, your hips, your torso, your brain, your body. It's great for you. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.